Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making crumble cookie with less ingredients, yummy in taste. Butter 4 tablespoon, all-purpose flour 1 cup, sugar 2 tablespoon, powder sugar. Just mix all ingredients. Don't add any water or milk. This is perfect consistency. Keep aside. Apple 2 cut into thin slices, clove 2 to 3, cinnamon or nutmeg half tablespoon powder, sugar 2 tablespoon. Give a nice mix. Now add the crumble mixture. Bake for 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Now it's ready to serve. On top, use cream or ice cream. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.